Hi, and welcome back to the Get Organised with Decluttr Me podcast with myself, Shelina. I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, travel. I am going on holiday soon, so I have been thinking about this a lot. Specifically today, I am discussing my favorite things to take on holiday, whether they're extra cool gadgets or things to help you stay organized. I am a gadget girl and I have talked about gadgets before, but there's always something new and exciting to try out. And I have been trying them out for you so that you can get them and use them on your holiday. So let's start. First of all, let's talk about my favorite thing in the world, packing cubes. I have mentioned them in last week's episode. I've mentioned them in loads of other episodes as well. Packing cubes are life. I have had them for 20 odd years. I bought them from Muji. They're a great way to keep your clothes organized while you travel. They come in different sizes and colors and can be used to separate your different types of clothes or accessories, or you can put outfits into one packing cube. So each day, one outfit with the accessories. You can use them for different categories like your underwear, your shirts, your socks. They're just so useful, and you can assign different colors to different people in the family. They're just great. But another way to stay organized is compression bags. So these are bags that are designed to compress your clothes and other soft items like towels or blankets or jackets, and they take up much less space in your luggage. They're really helpful if you're traveling with a small suitcase or backpack, or if you're carrying bulky things, especially when you're doing winter holidays or, going skiing or snowboarding. They're really, really useful. Next, let's talk about toiletry bags. So they are an essential item to have, and they can keep your toiletries and makeup separate from your clothing and other belongings. But not all toiletry bags are created equal. When choosing a toiletry bag, look for one with multiple compartments and pockets so you can keep everything separated and easily accessible. I have one that I've had from Muji for many, many years, and that's got all different compartments. So I have hair in one bit, shower gel in one, moisturizer, face. They're all separated. You can also get a hanging toiletry bag, which can be hung up in your hotel bathroom, saving you valuable counter space. Now, I wanted to share my thoughts on a new organizing item that have been making waves in the world since last year, and that's the Apple AirTag. Now, you might have heard me mention them or even seen them on social media. I had a video about them last year. These are small, lightweight trackers that can be attached to your luggage, your passport, or other important items and help you keep track of the location using your iPhone. One of the main benefits of using AirTags whilst traveling is the peace of mind they provide. If you've ever had to deal with lost or delayed luggage, you know how stressful it can be. With an AirTag attached to your bag, you can track its location in real time and receive notifications if it's separated from you. This can help you to take action quickly to retrieve your bag and to prevent it from getting lost or stolen. Another benefit of AirTags is their versatility. In addition to tracking luggage, you can be used to track other important items, as I said, such as your passports, your camera, your backpack. You can locate everything, and you don't have to search through your entire room or your entire bag just for this item. Of course, like any technology, AirTags have their limitations. They require an iPhone to work, so if you don't have one, you won't be able to use one. But I have seen that there are alternatives now out there for Androids. Additionally, they do rely on Bluetooth technology, so they have to communicate with your phone. So if it has a limited range, so if your bag is out of range of your phone, the AirTag won't be able to provide you with its location. Another item that I always bring with me on holiday is a travel adapter. So if you're traveling internationally, you'll likely need to use different types of electrical outlets than you do at home. A travel adapter allows you to plug your devices into foreign outlets and ensures that your devices will work properly. There are many different types of travel adapters available, so make sure you research which one is right for the country or countries you'll be visiting, and also where you're coming from. So especially if you're from America or Canada, your voltage is different from other countries, say in Europe or the Middle East. If you have a lot of items that need to be charged, take an extension cable with you. Now, I never used to think of that. And then I went on safari with a group, and the guy who organized these groups, took the extension cable, and it was the best thing ever, especially on safari because there's limited electricity in the camps. So if you have a big family and there's not going to be many plugs in where you're staying, take an extension cable. In addition to a travel adapter, I also recommend bringing a portable charger. This is especially important if you're using your phone or other electronic devices heavily whilst traveling. A portable charger allows you to charge your devices on the go so you don't have to worry about finding an outlet or running out of battery during the day. Or you don't have to go be cheeky and go to an Apple store and try and charge up your phone. Look for a portable charger with multiple ports so you can charge multiple devices at once. And make sure it has enough capacity to charge your devices fully. I always carry my AirPods with me. I know I'm talking a lot about Apple devices, but I am an Apple girl, so I'm sorry if you're not. But anyway, I always carry my AirPods with me to listen to music when flying and to drown out the noise, especially babies screaming. A new gadget to work with the AirPods is the AirFlyer transmitter. The AirFly transmitter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry with you on your travels. It works by plugging into the headphone jack on a plane, and then it transmits the audio to your wireless headphones via Bluetooth. So this means you can enjoy like the movies, TV shows, especially on the I system on Emirates, without having to use their useless headphones or bringing your wired headphones. So I've had wired Bose headphones for many, many years that I've been using, but now I don't have to. I can actually use the AirPods to watch the movies on the plane. So they're not just useful for flights, but they're also useful for other situations where you need to connect your wireless headphones to a wired audio source. For example, in a gym, on the home stereo system, or even in a car. So that's especially useful if you're in a rental and you don't want to put your phone details into the CarPlay. Another item that I always pack on holiday is a reusable water bottle. Not only is it better for the environment to use a reusable bottle instead of buying single-use plastic bottles, but it's also more convenient. You can fill up your bottle at a water fountain or a water vending machine that they have nowadays, and it means that you don't have to constantly buy water while you're out and about. Look for a water bottle with a leak-proof lid and a durable material such as stainless steel or BPA-free plastic. Finally, let's talk about some organizing items that can make your travel experience smoother. One such item is a travel wallet. A travel wallet is specialized to hold your passport, your boarding passes, and other important documents in one place. This is especially helpful if you're traveling to multiple countries, have multiple flights, and have a big family. Look for a travel wallet with an RFID blocking technology. So this will help protect your credit card information and other information from being stolen by hackers. You can also get RFID blocking backpacks, which are useful to have, and purses as well. So look out for them online, especially useful if you're going to big European cities where there's lots of people that do dodgy things now. Another organizing item that can be useful when traveling is a luggage scale. So if you're someone who tends to overpack or are traveling with a budget airline that has strict weight limits, a luggage scale can be a lifesaver. Simply attach it to your luggage, lift it up, and the scale will tell you how much your bag weighs. That way you can avoid overweight baggage fees and make sure your luggage is within the airline's weight limits. I've come across another useful item for you guys, and this especially for beachgoers, a portable lockbox that can be secured around your beach chair to keep your wallet and phone safe while you enjoy the water. With this lockbox, you can snorkel or swim without worrying about someone snatching your belongings while you're away. It provides a peace of mind, and it adds an extra layer of security to your beach day. It's also great for outdoor activities as well, such as camping, hiking, or picnicking. So you can store your valuables there while you go hike or explore the area without worrying about someone stealing it. We've been very blasé in the UAE in Dubai, about people, we just leave our stuff on the beach and then go into the sea. But I have heard about people stealing recently. So, you can use it even here if you live in the UAE or in the Middle East. In addition to the items we've already mentioned, I also recommend taking antiseptic flushable wipes with you on your travels. Now, it's not an organizing item, it's not a gadget, but it's the most essential thing you'll need. They are handy for sanitizing surfaces and wiping away germs, especially, during this time of heightened health concerns. Wherever you're traveling, you're bound to find surfaces that are not clean, and you like tray tables or armrests, hotel room doors, light switches. So you can clean that all. You can also clean your hands when you've had something which is messy, like a gelato. So they're just great. I know it wasn't an organizing item, but I had to put it in as an essential item for your holiday. Another thing that's also great is to have a travel pouch or a travel belt. So you can get a travel pouch that attaches to your bra. So this is an ingenious pouch that allows you to keep your money, your credit cards, and even your passport close to you at all times, without the fear of pickpockets stealing your belongings. Finally, I would recommend bringing a small foldable tote bag with you on holiday. This can be used to carry souvenirs or other items you pick while you're out and about without having to carry a bulky shopping bag or constantly juggling items in your hands. Also, in lots of countries now, they are going plastic free, so they won't have plastic bags in the shop. So having that lightweight tote bag is useful, and they can be folded into a small pouch. Paper Chase have them, and they're really great. I used to have an London Underground one that I used to just put into my handbag and take out whenever I needed. So get something like that that's small and can be in a little pouch. So that's it for today's episode of the Get Organised with Decluttr Me podcast. I hope you found these tips useful and that they will make your holiday more organised and stress-free. As always, thank you for listening, and be sure to tune in next time for more organising tips and tricks from myself. Take care and have a lovely holiday. Bye.